Hello Silicon Soldiers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something super exciting lined up for you. But first, see this. Isn't it amazing? These are our working QR codes. Ever wondered how to generate them for free? Well, you're in luck because that's exactly what we're diving in today. Alright, let's kick things off by logging onto HuggingFace. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. You can easily create one or simply log in with your Google account. But what exactly is HuggingFace? HuggingFace is a collaborative platform for developing, training, and deploying natural language processing and machine learning models. It's also a hub for AI enthusiasts and experts, and is sometimes called the GitHub of machine learning, as it allows developers to test and share their work openly. After logging in, head over to the space link provided in the video description below. Now when we're on this space, it's time to get creative. Start by filling up the QR code content. This is what will appear once the QR code is scanned. You can use simple text or any external URL here. Next, let's specify a prompt. Here's where you describe exactly how you want your QR code art to look. And hey, don't forget to check out the more advanced options. Feel free to play around and let your imagination run wild. With everything set, simply click on the Run button and wait patiently as the magic happens. And here's a little tip. If you're in a hurry, you can always duplicate this space privately to skip the queue. Pretty neat, right? And just like that, your masterpiece is ready. Once the QR code is generated, you can easily download it with a click of a button. It's that simple. Let's put it to the test. I'm scanning the QR code we just created, and voila! There's the content we inputted. Generating AI QR code art for free has never been easier. Get creative, have fun, and don't forget to share your creations with us. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay inspired.